Hi guys, let's continue with our C++ tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about the constructors and destructors. So constructors are nothing but it's a special type of member function. We write constructors as same name as class name but has no return type like void int, double. It has no return type. It's nothing but the same name as the class name, okay? And it is automatically called when the object is created. That means when we create an object for the class in the main function, it is automatically called. And it is used to initialize objects of class as soon as object is created. And we have to mention the constructor in the public section, or else we can't able to access the constructor. So ultimately we can't able to use that or we can access that. So it's mandatory to mention that thing in public. And destructors are used to destroy the objects that have been created by the constructor. That means that all the things which are created by the constructor, like memory allocation and objects and all, at the end of the program, destructor will destroy everything which is created by the constructor. Again, same name as class name. So class name is used for the name of the destructor. Just the difference is we mention the tilde sign as a prefix before the name, and again it is automatically called and it has no return type. So let's understand with a simple example. So I'm writing a simple program. So I'm writing a initializing a class as a student, and inside the student under the public access specifier I'm writing the constructor, so same name as class name, so student. So this is nothing but the constructor. This is nothing but the constructor. And I am printing simple statement as this is the constructor, and destructor. So first I am mentioning 0. So as you can see here, this is nothing but the constructor, and I am just creating an object for that. So student space object name. So when I run this program, as you can see, we are getting the output as this is constructor. So as you can see here, I just create an object for the class student. The constructor is automatically called. Now for destructor, first tilde sign and then class name, student, and then inside that I'm printing the statement as this is destructor. This is destructor. So as you can see, we are getting the statement that this is destructor. It is also again automatically called. That means the memory is allocated for this constructor, the destructor. After the end of the program, it has destroyed the everything which is created by the constructor. So in this way, the constructor and destructor works. So this was all about constructor and destructor. So thanks for watching.